students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing well, awesome, super great, superb as usual. Students, in this session, I'm gonna teach you from semester 1, unit 1, under unit 1, grammar. From grammar, our topic is noun and types of nouns. Students, on this topic, we'll be doing 2 more sessions about abstract noun and concrete noun, collective noun and compound noun, and also countable noun and uncountable noun. So students, what is a noun? A noun is a part of speech that identifies a person, place, thing, quality, concept, idea, emotion, thought, or anything that exists. Students, let's start the topic. Our today's topic is common nouns and the proper noun. Definition of the common noun. A common noun refers to a general class of a person, place, or object. For example, mother, father, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, doctor, teacher. All of these refers to a general class of a person. Students, here we are not specifying any particular name. Similarly, car. Car, we are not specifying a particular car model or brand name like Maruti or Honda car. Boy is a general boy. It could refer to any boy, not only particular or specific boy. Similarly, we are not specifying any particular city name like Hyderabad city. It could refer to any general city. State, we are not specifying any particular state name like Telangana. It could refer to any state. Cricketer, here we are not specifying a particular cricketer name Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli. It could be any cricketer. Book is also non-specific name, general class of object. So here we go with proper noun. Proper noun refers to a specific person, place, object, etc. For example, Hyderabad is the name of particular or specific city. Telangana. Telangana is the name of particular or specific state. Michael. Michael is the name of a particular or specific boy. Sachin Tendulkar is the name of a particular or specific cricketer. Identify common noun and proper noun from these sentences. Hyderabad is the best city to live in. Cities are generally more crowded than villages. Students, look at these sentences carefully. You always remember that the first letter of the proper noun is always capitalized. Either it is in the starting of the sentences or middle of the sentence or the end of the sentences. Students, Hyderabad is a proper noun and city is a common noun. Here city we have not capitalized because it is common noun. Here we have capitalized the cities because it is starting of the sentence. Students, look at these sentences carefully. Hyderabad is located in the state of Telangana. Hyderabad is a proper noun, state is a common noun, and Telangana is proper noun. Here we have capitalized H because it is proper noun as well as the starting of the sentence. Here we are not supposed to capitalize S because it is the common noun, state is the common noun, and Telangana is a proper noun. We are supposed to capitalize T because it is a proper noun, though it is end of the sentence. James Thurber is a proper noun specifying particular writer name, and writer is a common. A common noun versus proper noun. Every common noun we have a proper noun. So we can see the relationship between the common noun and the proper noun. Mountain is a common noun because it could refer to any mountain. And what is the proper of mountain? Mount Everest. Building, Parliament. Sea, Arabian Sea. Park, Lumbini Park. Cartoon, Mickey Mouse. Some more we'll see over here examples. Website, Google. Holiday, Teachers Day. Birthday, Gandhi Jayanti. Restaurant, Paradise. Picture, Mother.